Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively filter for Blox Fruit bounty. Bounty and honor are crucial systems in Blox Fruits, acting as your player versus player score. Accumulating a high bounty grants you powerful combat buffs, giving you a significant advantage in battles. The key is to strategically engage opponents to maximize your gains, rather than just fighting randomly. We will cover how to optimize your hunting process for consistent success. To efficiently gain bounty, smart target selection is paramount. You will primarily earn bounty from defeating players whose level is at least 25% lower than your own. Aim for opponents with 2.5 million bounty or higher, as these yield the most significant gains, often around 10,000 to 11,000 bounty per kill. Server hopping is a common strategy to find fresh servers with ideal targets, ensuring you consistently find good matches. Optimizing your hunting setup can greatly improve your success. Accessories such as the pale scarf are highly recommended, as they can help you scout islands and locate players more effectively. Focus on a build that offers strong stun capabilities and high damage output, like certain fruits or fighting styles. Additionally, enable fast mode and reduce your graphics settings to 3 or 4 bars for better frames per second, which provides a smoother combat experience. Always activate your haki for crucial dodges and damage boosts. For successful bounty hunting, mastering combat is essential. Practice and learn one-shot combos to quickly eliminate targets, preventing them from escaping or retaliating. It is generally best to fight opponents who have a bounty similar to yours or slightly lower, to ensure fair and rewarding engagements. If a fight seems unwinnable or you are outnumbered, it is often wiser to disengage and find a new server to avoid losing your hard-earned bounty. Consistent practice and adapting your strategies will lead to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.